Noticed some of your earnings are marked as reserved and wondering what that means? In this video, I'll explain the Fiverr Reserve system and how it affects your payments. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A reserve is a temporary hold Fiverr places on a portion of your earnings to ensure a high level of service and customer satisfaction. This is often applied to new sellers or if there's an issue with your account performance. The reserve holds a percentage of your earnings, e.g., 50% or 100%, for a specific period, usually 14 to 21 days after order completion. You cannot withdraw reserved funds until the reserve period is over. After the period ends, the funds are released into your available for withdrawal balance. The goal is to build trust. As you maintain a strong performance history with no disputes or policy violations, the reserve status will be removed from your account. A crucial pro tip: the fastest way to get the reserve removed is to deliver exceptional work, communicate clearly with buyers, and avoid cancellations. Every successful, on-time delivery without issues builds your reputation and moves you closer to having no reserve. And just like that, you understand how to navigate and eventually eliminate the reserve system. Using this period to prove your reliability is key to long-term success on Fiverr. Have you experienced a reserve on your account? How did you get it removed? Tell us your story in the comments. Now, let's build your profile. Watch our next video on how to write a Fiverr profile bio. Thanks for watching.